Okay, so we're all out here having a good time. We got my boy John, King over here, and James.
Evening.
We're gonna be installing Two Brothers exhaust, Street Glide here. Right now we've got just slip-ons on it. It's got some Vance and Hines slip-ons. You see the chrome on, it's not doing too well. Let's get started on removing everything.
Oh! Yeah.
Oh, nice and dirty.
Nice and dirty, and you know, nice wax job.
Yeah.
Oh, and rusty.
Phenomenal. Yeah, I've been taking great care of that.
You want to keep them or what?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll clean them up, put them on eBay.
A little bit bigger, it needs a bigger bolt.
What do we got under there?
So if you don't know how to get this exhaust off, then this is going to be a little bit too advanced for you, and find you someone to go do it for you. But here's where your O2 sensors hook into.
Twist and pull.
Yeah, you probably gonna have to loosen out and up more. Now let's push out the record.
Okay. Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Ready?
How's this thing work?
Refresh, refresh.
So got it on there. Tight.
All right. Right there's where the issue
It's like
is.
whoever installed these didn't want the exhaust to leak. What we could have done that.
Okay.
Videos, they make these look,
There it is.
so much easier, don't they?
Yeah, of course they do.
Good job.
Teamwork. Make the dream work.
Yep.
I'll finish
Well
mine.
then. No.
So a few hours later,
Just get another beer.
and we finally got the floorboard down so we can get the exhaust off.
You know how I...
Oh, you can talk, man. Don't be That's what we're doing. It makes it more fun.
Okay.
Who's that one?
That's mine. It's almost empty.
Did you have?
It's yellow water that we're drinking.
I was just gonna say, get it the hell out of there, because you're shining right in my damn eye.
God damn it! Hold the light right there! God damn it! My son down here. Hold the light.
Oh, we got
Oh, I should do that too. Come out here. Your job. What? What?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Good.
And that's a ½ inch, by the way. Get the exhaust off. In case anybody was wondering what we're doing.
Right there?
Right there.
I swear to God, I'm gonna stick that thing up their ass.
It's a serious job holding the light. Hold the light. Hold it right. Wheels came off nice.
And we're back with Redneck Harley exhaust chain.
And it's proof that there's no women involved in this exchange.
No, we gotta figure it.
Can you get it? And buckles.
I'm just trying not to hit the Fender.
I don't think I got a shorty wrist either, but here it is. Torque. Here it is. Long cord with pressure on it.
There you go.
Oh, that was knuckles.
Now, I was over earlier on the bike.
Hey, look, see?
Okay, get ready.
You hear what they say. They always say it's not the size of the boat, it's the
Motion in the ocean, baby.
So it's gonna take forever to get that fucking motor.
Yeah.
That should be the first loop.
The first loop. The first bolt we put it back in.
So if you were looking for a detailed instructional video, you're watching the wrong channel. This is just 4 rednecks playing around.
And getting the job done.
That's right. This is why you don't bang your finger. You try not to bang your finger.
You finger bang, but don't bang your finger, right?
Yeah.
That one in last. Don't lose that.
So sometimes the whole stud comes out. Only when it's mine. That is.
We needed
What you
a little
looking
lube.
I turned 52 a bike week.
Yeah. March 9th.
8.
My brother! Right on. I won't be up there. That's the day we take off for the cruise. So.
Good times.
Okay.
That's great fun. Good.
He's working on his motorcycle right now with his
3 amigos.
3 amigos.
That's right. We're the 3 amigos. We're good with that. All right, let's install this bracket here. That's a technical term, bracket. You know, the
Thingamajiggy.
yeah, the thingamajiggy. The helps
That's
hold the new
redneck
exhaust
up there.
on.
What is there? Do you want to get the torque wrench?
Yeah.
We got torque
look up
spec.
the torque spec.
Well, we're almost done, and we didn't film it because we're not real mechanics. So, and we kind of suck at this, but we're winging it. So
Speak for yourself.
it was pretty good.
I don't think it sucked. I think we did a
I
good
think
job.
you did
Yeah.
an awesome job. Yes.
We did a great job.
Awesome.
It just took us like 4 guys.
A couple hours.
Yeah.
What time we start?
It took us
10
It
o'clock.
took us one guy and 3
Started
cars.
after 7. Started after 7. It's 10 o'clock.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, not that bad. We'll give you a sound check here in just a minute.
I mean, how many lemonades did we have?
Exactly.
Hey, my rod.
So here's finished product.
You want to lower it first?
Yeah, before we crank it up,
You
definitely.
put your bags on too. Go
Let's
get that
go.
camera. Go get that
Here
camera.
you go. So here's the
Alright.
final result. Let's hear what it sounds like. At the tunes. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hit that like, subscribe. Yeah, this was really not the most informative video on how to install the exhaust, but fun way to do it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you like the exhaust, the difference in the exhaust. the slip-ons versus the two brothers. So thanks for watching. Deuces.